Whether you need furnace maintenance or a new air conditioner, Quality Heating can help. Check out our video today, where Quality Heating performs furnace maintenance while also servicing a broken AC unit. Did you know that dirty furnace filters can cause major problems for your AC? A lack of airflow passing through the AC coil can trigger a humidity error on the thermostat. This was part of the problem we encountered on a recent service call. While the dirty filter was the immediate issue, it soon became clear that there were additional problems with the AC. A wire had begun to fray as it rubbed against one of the inner copper tubes, and both capacitors needed replacing due to a loss of MFD rating. During our furnace maintenance, we also caught a dirty flame sensor that could have become a problem in the winter, as its readings were borderline low. At Quality Heating, our expertise in HVAC ensures that whether you need a new furnace or AC, we have you covered. Contact us for more details.